Hey everybody, Garrett Centers with Remax Lakeshore. Just wanted to pop in here really quick and show you this awesome new listing we got in Macatawa Legends. Check it out.
Discover the epitome of luxury living just moments away from the prestigious Macatawa Legends Golf Club in beautiful Holland, Michigan. This stunning residence is perfectly situated to capture the essence of a golfer's paradise, offering unparalleled access to the renowned 18-hole championship golf course designed by Ray Hearn. Nestled within the scenic landscapes of this exclusive community, this house is more than just a home. It's an invitation to a lifestyle of elegance and recreation. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking views of the golf course, with each day presenting a new opportunity to enjoy the beautiful West Michigan area. This exquisite property features not only proximity to the Macatawa Legends Golf Club, but also boasts a meticulously designed interior with modern amenities and spacious living areas. Whether you're entertaining in the grand living spaces, relaxing in the beautifully appointed bedrooms, or taking in the fresh air on the private outdoor areas, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. Additionally, residents have easy access to the club's state-of-the-art facilities, including a clubhouse with fine dining options, event spaces for gatherings, and a pro shop stocked with top-notch golf essentials. It's not just a home, it's a gateway to a lifestyle where every day feels like a vacation. Don't miss the chance to make this property your own and experience the unparalleled luxury of living adjacent to the Macatawa Legends Golf Club. Contact us today to schedule a private tour and unlock the door to your dream home in this prestigious golf community.